Hello guys, good morning to all and respected teachers and all Budhoge. This is Srishti Gupta. Today I am here to telling you a story and the title of the story Lost Spring written by Anis Zang. Do you know what is the lost means of lost spring? Lost spring means loss of childhood, loss of opportunities and dreams. There are
चलने दो, उसे कोई दिक्कत है। तुमने कहा डू यू नो व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग, तो यहाँ थोड़ा सा पुश करना है 2 सेकंड का, ताकि सामने वाला सोचे कि यार पता है मुझे, नहीं पता तो ही बता दे।
okay.
समझ में आई बात है? ऐसे थोड़ा सा पुश करना है, बोल सही रही है, बस इसी पुश की कह रहा हूँ। थोड़ा सा, जैसे तूने कहा डू यू नो द मीन्स ऑफ लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग और खुद ही तुरंत बता दिया, उसमें थोड़ा सा 1-2 सेकंड का डिले होना चाहिए, तब स्टोरी टेलिंग हो पाएगी।
Hello guys, good morning to all. This is Rashti Gupta. Today I am here to telling a story and the title of the story Lost Spring. Do you know what is the means of Lost Spring? No? I am telling you.
अब लगा कि हाँ बात कर रही है। इसी चीज का वेरी गुड, आगे।
Okay. Lost Springs means loss of childhood and dreams and opportunities. There are two parts in this chapter. First part is about Sahibi Alam and wreck because of the Simapuri. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Then author asked Sahib, why are you doing this? Why don't you go to school? Sahib replied, there is no school in my neighborhood. Author asked Sahib, half joking, will he come to school if he starts one? Or Sahib agrees to do so. After a few days later, Sahib saw author and he goes running to the author and asks, is your school ready? Then author says it takes the longer to build a school. Author feels embarrassed at having made a promise that is not meant. A few days later, author asks Sahib, what is your full name? Sahib replied, Sahib Alam. It means Lord of Universe. No, he or the Sahib did not know. Sahib don't know means of his name. If he knew the means, know his name, it is difficult to believe it. Sahib roams all day to collect the garbage. He is a rag picker. A day, author asked, why aren't you sleepers? A boy says that my mother did not bring them from self. Second boy says that even if mother did, I will throw them off. Third boy says that I want to sue. Then author says, traveling the across the country, I have seen children walking barefoot. One explanation is offered by the author is that it is not lack of money, it is a tradition to stay barefoot. She wonders if this is only an excuse to explain perpetual state of poverty. Our day, author saw Sahib near tennis garden. Today, Sahib is wearing shoe and discolored shirt. Author came to know someone discarded shoes who is wearing Sahib. Sahib says that I want to play this game very much and I want like this game so much. A morning, author saw Sahib then and asked, what are you doing this? Sahib replied, now I work at tea stall. I am paid 800 rupees and all my meals as per month. When author asked Sahib, will he like this job? Then author saw Sahib is not happy working at tea stall. His face has lost its carefree look. The steel canister seems heavier than his plastic bags. No, now Sahib is no longer his own master. Second part is about Mukesh and Bengal makers of Firozabad. Mukesh wants to be a motor mechanic. All other family is engaged in this business. Once author went in Firozabad and asked Mukesh, "Do you know anything about car?" Mukesh replied, "He shall learn to drive car." Mukesh took the author to his home. Then author saw the drain is broken, and when author reached Mukesh's house, author saw a young woman is cooking the evening meals of a whole family. Mukesh's family as in his father, his brother, and his brother's wife. Her eyes filled with smoke, but she smiles. Mukesh's grandmother thinks that the God-given lineage can never be broken. They are destined to work as a Bengal maker. The Bengal makers face many problems in the glass Bengal industry. They have to work in dengue cells, low light and high temperature. The dust from polishing the Bengals is injurious to eyes. They lose their brightness of eyes and often go blind. Along with all these problems, they had their life in mischievous and poverty. Thank you, everyone.
आप सही, आप सही। वेरी गुड।